Welcome back, everybody, to the channel. We're making some cornflake chicken. Be another two-part video. Got some egg wash going on. Put some salt and pepper, some paprika on the chicken. We got some wedge fries going in the air fryer. These are all gonna go in the air fryer. Try them out, see how it turns out. Get that wash going. Get it all in there. Oh yeah. All right, we'll check back later and see where we're at. We're back. About to put them in the old air fryer for 380. 15 minutes. See what we get. Crunched them up really good with the. You can hear old Frank. He's wanting some. Down, Frank. There's tons of cornflakes we got going on. We'll come back. We'll check it out. All right, check it out. Golden brown. Put it in the mixing bowl here. We got our special sauce.
Soy, honey, and garlic.
Soy, honey, and garlic. We're gonna drizzle it all over that. Good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that.